Can you just give me an introduction for 2 minutes?
Yeah. Good evening, ma'am. My name is Vinay Kumar. I'm born of I'm born and brought up in Bathinda, but currently I'm living in Jalandhar. I completed my graduation in commerce stream from Punjabi University. I'm working as a wealth manager in a wealth management company, and I have 15 years of experience in financial sector. If I talk about my hobbies, I love to read books, I love traveling, and I love to spend time with my family. I I'm in my day-to-day activity. I have to meet a lot of clients, so that is why I'm learning spoken English. I'm working on my communication skills, and I'm a lifelong learner. And I'm excited to learn spoken English from this session. Thank you so much.
Okay. I think you have mentioned about company. It's like I don't remember the word जो आपने कहा था अभी.
Actually, I told I'm working as a wealth manager in a wealth management company.
Well, management company, right?
Yes.
Not an appropriate word. The best word is to use prestigious organization or well-reputed company.
Okay.
Because well management is not a
Wealth. I told wealth management.
well. Also fine. Then it's perfectly fine. Maybe there was this
Yeah.
miscommunication.
Yes. Yes.
Wealth management is fine, or else you can say prestigious organization, or maybe
Prestigious, or we can also say renowned company.
perfect.
Yes.
Then you have talked about this. I am and nahi kuch. You like to take spoken English classes.
Yeah.
Don't mention that. Why? Because you could have used a good line like, I am really excited, or I have a curiosity, I am passionate about enhancing my skills. This shows you're not specifically mention, you're not actually mention. It's not about that. आप ना एक चीज mention कर रहे हो विनय कि it is specifically spoken English. Because the moment you say,
Okay.
no, I am looking forward to learn a particular thing. Spoken English means maybe it is a weakness. You're not fluent. There's some problem in your communication. This means आप अपनी खुद से weakness बता रहे हो. So instead of
Okay.
using this, do not be very specific about what you're actually learning. Irrespective आपका interviewer आपसे पूछ रहे हो. You can say I'm very passionate about learning new skills because it actually adds a value to our personality. And I feel nowadays it is really important for us to enhance our skills to become a better professional. अब आपने क्या किया? आपने specifically mention नहीं किया spoken English. आपने सिर्फ skills बता दी. अब interview के दिमाग में क्या था? Yes, this person has a learning attitude. But the moment you say spoken English, you feel that you're not confident enough to speak right now. How can I choose you, sir? Sorry, sir, you rejected. This will actually happen. Then
Yes.
lifelong learner, do not use that word. I have a learning attitude towards my life. Or I have a positive approach towards learning. Simple. This means we need to use some appropriate words for a particular sentence. The moment you say bank manager, sir, एक क्या होता है आपकी रिस्पेक्ट ना बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ जाती है. बट अगर हम कुछ ऐसे वर्ड्स यूज करेंगे ना, they feel maybe the weakness is communication. This is the reason due to which Vinay is attending spoken English sessions. But अगर manager attend कर रहा है spoken English, how can I figure it out? Are you getting it? तो इंटरव्यू के दिमाग में बहुत रैंडम क्वेश्चंस आ जाएंगे, due to which he will be just on and on and on. He'll have hundreds of questions. What matters the most is, sir, that being a brand, this manager, whatever profile you're working in, the moment you talk about your introduction, you will have this counter question. Which company are you working in? Can you just name the platform through which you're taking spoken sessions? What is Tolotalk all about? If the moment you mention I'm taking sessions from Tolotalk, do you know about this platform? Give me 2 USPs. तो क्या होता है सर, आपको ना USPs, आपको ना काउंटर क्वेश्चन आपके इंट्रोडक्शन से ही कर सकते हैं. तो आप ऐसे स्मार्ट वे में बोलो कि इंटरव्यूअर को आप चांस ही नहीं दे रहे बोलो. right?
Yes.
If I say I'm a certified soft skills trainer, so he will have thousands of questions related to my profile. Now, I should be speaking in a very smart way, and I am not giving a chance to my interview to ask any question. Why? Because see, it's obvious, you know, the moment you say I have to go for my birthday party, एक question आ जाएगा parent का, कब जाना है, वापस कब आओगे, with whom you are going, where is the place. It's because आपने सिर्फ ये बोला I'm going for a birthday party. That's it. You haven't mentioned which place, with whom you are going, what's the date. That means if you give an incomplete sentence, you will definitely have thousands of questions, right? If
Exactly.
you are expecting to have 100% result from your company or maybe your bank, if that person will tell you sir aaj loss ho gaya hame, first of all you'll burst your emotions. Why? Because he has not given you a complete knowledge. What was the reason behind it? कितना loss हुआ, कब हुआ, आपको कुछ नहीं पता. It's important आप जो भी बोल रहे हो, पहली बात तो एक अच्छे words use कर रहे हैं कि वो counter question ना करे, and we have to try कि हमें chance अपने interviewer को देना ही नहीं बोलने का. Because if I am convinced by your introduction, I have to thank you so much, sir. You can just simple. And it should be a brief introduction, right? Do you have any questions, anything that you wish to speak of? Your most welcome. Any doubts, anything?
No, I just want to write down what you told me. Instead of I'm a lifelong learner, but
Yeah.
sentence I have to use.
Mention I have a positive approach
Okay.
towards learning.
Positive approach towards learning.
Or else you can say I have a learning attitude.
Okay. I'm excited to learn soft
I have a
skills.
positive approach, which shows that you are curious to learn something about a particular skill. Or you can say I'm very passionate towards learning a new skill in my daily life.
Right.
I hope it is clear. Any questions, anything that you wish to ask, you're most welcome.
No, man.
Anything which is not clear, any word, anything?
I just want to ask, like on the very first day when I gave my demos, I take my demo session. They told me I took my demo session. They told me that my pronunciation is incorrect, right? My pronunciation is incorrect. It is not like that. I have some mother tongue influence. That is a different thing. But they told me that you pronounce wrong words. Means. So I just want to know, like from the last 2 days we are talking about each other. So we are talking. I'm speaking.
What basically happens? It is all about your accent, right? Maybe because of the accent, the tone of your style, the way you speak, some words can sound in a different way. So it is all about the phonics. जो हम छोटे होते पढ़ते हैं ना, sound of A, B, C, and D. So I think maybe it is not pronunciation, it's pronunciation. So maybe pronunciation. They were really right. There are some words that even I felt. But when you take the feedback from your trainers, they can guide you in a very specific way. So the first thing is, to be very honest, if I have to give a feedback, you have a really good personality. Why? Because you're a very active listener. You're very patient. The second thing is you never interrupt your trainers in between. When I have to explain you something, you have this learning attitude. Secondly, talking about the pronunciation, see, it will actually improve only when you speak a lot. So this means if I am giving a chance to speak, if I ask you, do you have any questions, anything, so you should be asking. Even if you don't have it, then we can continue the session. Number 3, talking about this pronunciation, if you feel that there is some word which you're not able to speak up, right? You can definitely try to split the word in 2 parts. Try to feel the sound, the phonics, and that's how you can actually build a very good word.
Okay. And one more thing, in the morning, I watched one of the video where I thought that I will describe it in my own words. But what happens that whenever I watch any video, like I watch for 10 minutes, right? After that, I like I'm not able to describe that in such a way that I remember all the things. When I see, I am thinking like I know everything, but it is time to describe that, there is like I'm able to describe only one or two sentences, but it is a whole 10 minute speech, so I'm not able to speak in 2 or 3 minutes. So what is the matter and how I can improve that?
You can only describe when you know some good words. Write at least 10 adjectives every day.
Adjective.
Adjectives.
Okay.
Right? What are adjectives? It is a part of the grammar. Describing something. It can be about someone's quality, which means talking about the personality, quantity, and so many things, right? For example, if I say that this is a Pepsi bottle, how can you describe this? Think, do your own research, Google it, try to write at least 5 to 10 words of adjectives. Because when you have adjectives, you can think of some good words. आप तभी डिस्क्राइब कर पाओगे जब आपको पता है कि वो डिस्क्राइब करना कैसे. This means
Yes.
you need to be clear with what all words I have to use. So work on your adjectives, right? Read some good adjectives. If you're reading any newspaper, try to find the adjectives.
Okay.
Work on 5 adjectives every day, and then try to
Could you
describe.
please explain, give me some examples of adjectives like handsome, beautiful? These are adjectives.
Adjectives basically means describe. Visheshan, right? If I say she is very intelligent, means मैं उसकी एक educational qualification के बारे में बात करूँ. If
Okay.
I say she is looking really beautiful in this saree, then talking about her personality. So beautiful is your adjective. Tall, short, cute, bad. These are all your adjectives. Right? Handsome,
Okay.
pretty. If I say she has a very positive attitude towards learning, this talks about her overall personality, which is positive. Right? If I say I don't like this red color, what is the reason you're not liking this? Or I don't like this red ball. So what is the reason due to which you don't like this ball? क्योंकि उसका कलर क्या रेड है. तो आप उसके बारे में बता रहे हो. किसी के बारे में डिस्क्राइब करना, बताना, चाहे वो उसकी क्वालिटी हो, अच्छा हो, बुरा हो, गंदा हो, स्मार्ट हो, कुछ भी हो, या क्वांटिटी. Please go and buy 2 kgs of bananas. So what is the quantity of bananas? It is 2 kgs. That's your adjective.
Okay.
If I say she's beautiful, she's pretty, he's handsome, he's good. If I say she has a very good attitude towards teaching, so this talks about her teaching skills. अच्छी है, बुरी है, क्या है? Is it clear?
And the attitude is not an
Attitude
objective.
वो attitude
Adjective.
positive है या negative है?
Okay.
If I say ये जो है, this is tall or short. What is the size? या तो वो बड़ा होएगा या छोटा होएगा. ठीक है? If I say this is
Okay.
blue color bottle, so what is the color? Blue है या black? आप किसी के बारे में बता रहे हो. That is your description. आप describe तभी कर सकते हो when you're clear with this parts of speech, which is your adjective. So work on 10
Okay.
adjectives every day, and
Okay.
then try to describe a particular picture. For example, if you're going for a picnic, it's obvious जो आप बच्चों को लेके जाते हो picnic पे, it's a park. So you will be looking at so many things. Try to write some sentences using adjectives, nouns, verbs, and so on. Because this is all about a creative thing. आपका सोचने का level क्या है, कैसे आप सोचते हो. Any other doubts in it?
No, man.
Right? I really hope you have learned something fruitful.
Yes, yes,
All
absolutely.
right. Any feedback for the section? Anything that you wish to speak up? You're most welcome.
No, man.
All right. Thank you so much, Vinay. Have a really good day.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.